रासोल्लासा कलितललितम् मञ्जुमञ्जीररागम् बर्हाप्येदम् परिवृततरम् गोपकन्या कदम्बै वंशे चन्दनमधुरिमवदा मोदमानं वनान्ते श्रीमद्राधा रमणमनसं गोपवेशं नमामि। यो ब्रह्मरुद्रशुकनारदभीष्ममुख्यये रालक्षितो न सहसा पुरुषस्य तस्य सद्यो हृदयवशीकरणचूर्णमनन्तसत्यं तं राधिका चरणरेणुमनुस्मरामि। अनर्विदचरिं चिरात् करुणयावतीर्णः खलु समर्पयतोन्नतोज्ज्वलरसां सुभक्तिश्रियं हरिपुरडसुन्दरद्युतिकदम्बसन्दीपितं सदा हृदयकन्दरे स्फुरतु वः सचिनन्दनः। हरे कलो नास्त्यवनास्त्यवनास्त्येव गदिरन्यथा वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीपदकमलं श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सगणरघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च श्रीकृष्णचैतन्यप्रभुनित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैतगदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। राधे जय जय माधव दैते राधे जय जय माधव दैते राधे जय जय माधव दैते राधे माधव दैते राधे जय जय माधव दैते राधे गोकुल तरुणी मंडल में ते गोकुल तरुणी मंडल में ते गोकुल तरुणी मंडल में ते जय जय माधव दैते राधे जय माधव दैते बोलो राधे जय जय माधव दैते राधे जय माधव दैते दामोदर रति वर्धन वेशे दामोदर रति वर्धन वेशे दामोदर रति वर्धन वेशे दामोदर रति हरिनिष्कुट वृंदाविपने से ओ हरिनिष्कुट वृंदाविपने राधे जय जय माधव दैते राधे जय जय माधव दैते बोलो राधे जय जय माधव दैते राधे जय जय माधव दैते वृषभानुगाधे नव शशि लेखे वृषभानुगाधे नव शशि लेखे ललिता सखी गुण रमित विशाखे ललिता सखी गुण रमित विशाखे ओ ललिता सखी गुण रमित विशाखे
ललिता सखी गुण रमित विशाखे
राधे जय जय माधव जयते
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 करुणां कुरु मयि करुणा भरीते
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 सनक सनातन वर्णित चरित ओ सनक सनातन वर्णित चरित ओ रूप सनातन वर्णित चरित रूप सनातन वर्णित चरित राधे जय जय माधव जयते राधे जय जय माधव जयते अनिदाय गौर हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री राधे जय जय श्री श्री राधा रमण लाल की जय नाम संकीर्तन की जय करतारनाथ की जय। I pay my most humble Dandavat pranams to the Bhagavad Vancha Kalpataru Kripa Sindhu Deenabandhu Deenanath Jagatpate Patita Pavan Priyatam Parameshwar अखिल रसामृत सिंधु सार विग्रह पद्मावती चरण चारण चक्रवर्ती पौगंड सार सर्वस्व तत्व पूर्णानुराग रस सार सरोवर समुद्भूत पंकज beloved self manifested स्वयंभू श्रीमद् गुणमंजरी तत्सार स्वरूप श्रीमद् गोपाल भट्ट गोस्वामी चरणपाद परम हृदय प्रियतम I'm making it full of suspense. परम प्रियतम स्वयंभू Sri Sri Radha. And all the lovers, Vaishnavas, all the Gaudiyars Siddhant Paripakva Tadbhav Ranjit Vaishnava. Today I am speaking not in Hindi and English, it's more Sanskrit and English. Whatever the mood. It gives extreme pleasure again to sit at this holy dham, Ananda Dham. Anand is the state of Krishna by which one should get attracted. I was explaining yesterday in Basel at Kapoor family residence. One should know Tattva. He is Satya. One should know it. He is Chid, Chaitanya, Chaitanya Bhinna Parak. One should know it. Without the foundation of Tattva, Ras can't flow. One should know it. Gopis know it. But their attraction is not because he is just Satya. It is more because he is Anand. When Vasudevanandan appeared, demigods named him, declared him Satyabratam Satyaparam Satyam Satyasya Yonim Nihitam Cha Satye Satyasya Satyam Vrata Satya Netram Satyatmakam Tvam Sharanam Prapanna. But when Nandanandan appeared, Nandalal Gopal appeared, all the Vrajvasis declared Nand ke Anand bhai, Jai Kanhaiya Lal ki. When he is appearing, Shukadeva Goswami giving a beautiful verse which is full of Aishwarya. Tamadbhutam balakamam bhujikshanam chaturbhujam shanka gada yudaryudham Srivatsa Lakshmam Galasho Vikaustubham Pitambaram Sandrapayoga Saubhagam. But when Nandalal is appearing, Gopal Champukar giving another beautiful verse full of Madhurya. Shamash Chanchalacharu Dirghanayana Valastavankas Thale Dugdhod Gari Payodharos Phutamasi Kridan Maya Lukyate Swapnastat Kivu Jagarak Kimathave Tietanya Nishchiyate Satyam Bruhi Satyam Bruhi Satyam Bruhi Swadharmani Sphuratikim Soyam Tavabhyantare. A beautiful dream which Yashoda and Nanda have seen, but it seems so real. And Nanda Baba, Yashoda, Sri Nanda Baba asking Yashoda Maiya, "O Devi, Satyam Bruhi, please say true. Is that right? Because I have also seen the same. You have seen the same, I have seen the same. Satyam Bruhi Swadharmani. Swadharmani means, oh my Dharma Patni. English has very dry word, wife. But Sanskrit and Hindi has a very beautiful word. Even a married relation, it comes under religion. Dharma Patni or Dharma Pati. Swadharmani. Satyam Bruhi Swadharmani. Oh my Dharma Patni. Because we took the vow of Agni in a fire sacrifice to create this relationship. It is not created just by a few rings and flowers. There was the whole fire sacrifice. All the demigods appeared and declared the Brahmana Dev Gurau Goshthe Goshthalai Susujani Bhusurgane. Bhusurgana was there. And he declared this relationship. So my Swadharmani, my Dharma Patni, say true. Is that right what you have said? Satyam Bruhi, I have seen also what you have seen. That Shama, Chanchal, Charu, Dirghanayana. The killer eyes of Krishna. Jayadeva Goswami is giving several explanations for his eye and eyebrows. Dhanurapanga tarangitani. Dhanurapanga, it is not eyebrows, it is the bow. When he blinks, then the rope of the bow goes back. When he do like this, when he opens, then an arrow of Kataksha will kill many hearts. Dhanurapanga tarangitani. Beautiful. Of Sri Thakurji, Sri Priyaji. I just remember one verse from Hanuman Natakam. This is one Ramayana. Hanumanji wrote. Beautiful verses. It's a small book, not full verses have been found. Then in the history of India, a king found out these verses on the rocks of Himalayas. And then he made a copy and printed it, published it. It is popularly known as in India Hanuman Natakam. which is full of rasa. And our Goswamis and Rupa Goswami, there is a proof that he have read that Hanuman Natakam. Because there is one verse which is exactly in the starting of the first verse of Hanuman Natakam. And the same verse is there in Rupa Goswami's Padyavali. Just the difference is, Hanumanji says, Bhutaye Ramanam. I can't remember the starting. Jivanam sajjananam bijam dharma dhrumasya prabhavatu bhavatam Vishramasthanamekam kavivar vachasam Jivanam sajjananam bijam dharma dhrumasya prabhavatu bhavatam. Hanumanji is saying Bhutaye Ramanama. Rupa Goswami writing the same verse and saying Bhutaye Krishna Nama. It is Ishta. It is, if here Krishna is Ishta, there Ram is Ishta. He is giving a beautiful verse, Hanumanji, on the incident of when Suparnakha glorified the beauty of Sita ji in front of Ravana and he got attracted. At that time, Brahman nadhayanas naisha samas tushnim bahisti yatam Brahaspate jadamate naisha sabha vajrana. Swasthon lankeshwara Sita rallak bhall bhagna manasa. Swasthon lankeshwara. Hanumanji is writing every day. Tumburu, who is a Gandharva, comes to play and sing beautiful songs in the courtyard of Ravana. Every day. Pitamaha Brahma visit Lord Ramana. It's not Lord Rama, sorry. I'll get confused with the mobile phone. Recite the mantras of Vedas. Brahaspati every day comes and do different part of the stotras. But today the watchman of Ravana is shouting on all of them. Brahman nadhainas nais samastushnim bahisti yatam. It is not your loka. Please go back. Today we don't need you. Raman has no interest today on you. Go, go. Brahaspate jadamate. Oh, jadamate. Look at the language of the watchman of Ravana. Oh, jadamate. Murkha. Brahaspate jadamate naisha sabha vajrana. It is not the court of your disciple Indra. Go. Tumru, go. Why? Raman is not fit today. He is not feeling well. What happened to him? Bole Sita rallak bhall bhagna manasa. Rallak means your eyebrows. Bhalla is the arrow. Arrow. The arrow of the eyebrows of Sita have hurted the heart of Rama. Send him. No. Dhanurapang tarangitani. Shamas chanchal charu dirgha nayanah valastha vankasthale. Dugdhod gari payodharus phutamasi kridan mayalokya. Oh Nanda Baba, I have seen that Sham Chanchal Charu Dirgha Nayana. the one who having beautiful eyes, drinking my milk and playing on my lap. Swapnastattimu jagarak kimatave chaitanya nishchiyate. Nishchiyate, I am not able to decide that what I have seen was reality or was just a dream. Nanda Baba said, Satyam bruhi swadharma. Oh my dharma patni, say Satya, speak Satya, true. Is it right? I have seen the same thing. Spuratikim soyam, so ayam. Soyam, that I have seen too. Soyam tavabhyantare. That Ananda form of Krishna. And that Anand which is showering all over at this place. Giving, trying to give that beautiful love for the Lordships. If I don't come to this place, it feels my Switzerland yatra is incomplete. It has a relationship. My kathas are like that. It's not technical. It doesn't have any points. It just goes as ever it is, like the flow. I just started with Anand, and I went from Krishna to Ram, then to Krishna, and then again. That was just my foundation of formalities. It just happens like this. Here my mind doesn't work, only the heart works. And I said somebody, I just said in the morning to somebody, I was talking on phone in India, and I said, heart doesn't have brain. If the heart would have brain, then many things in this world would be different. Heart doesn't have brain. Hridre shirjana tishtati. Even in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is declaring where you can find me, in the heart. I'm not in the mind. If I say to Krishna Chandra Prabhu, meet me, tomorrow meet me. Okay. Whole day tomorrow gone. And at night we met. I said, oh Prabhu, where were you? I was waiting for the whole day. I didn't go to anywhere. What happened? I was just sitting in my room. I even cooked myself. I was waiting for you. And if he says, Maharaj, what are you saying? I even didn't go anywhere and I was prepared my ashram and waiting for you. Prepared everything, prepared prasad place for Radharaman, everything, devotees were there waiting for you. Where were you? I was waiting for whole. So it was decided to meet, but it was not decided where to meet. That is something which happened with us every day. We all want to meet him, but we are looking in our mind. We are sitting in our mind and he is waiting for us in our heart. Hridesh Arjuna Tishtha. Sitting in the heart. It is always a pleasure for me. This first sitting is just a meeting. This is first sitting. This is an introduction of this 2 days visit. Week is ending, Prem is starting. From different places, from different locations. This Anand is attracting everybody. The best use of this area, the best use, the best seva, the best way in this Kali Yuga, as recently he have explained, is listening to Harikatha. I don't know why this topic is keep coming around me from last 4 days. I started my yatra of Switzerland this year when I glorified the significance of listening. It is just going on from last 4 to 5 days. He told me just few minutes before Maharaj, we will take a dip into the Vraj Leelas. And I don't know from where this listening thing again came. It is so important. That is the only one thing which can take you inside. Sravanam. In Gopi Geet, gopis are saying, Tab kathamurtam, tab tajivan, Kabhi vireditam kalmashapaham, Sravana mangalam, Sri madatatam, Bhubi grunhanti te, bhuri rajana. Sravana mangalam. Your mangal can only happen what we call mangal. You can attain auspiciousness only by listening. Keep listening. That is the only process. Keep listening. Keep listening. I spoke on this first day, then afterwards, yesterday so much. Again it comes. The first bhakti is Sravana. Prahlad Maharaj saying 9 bhaktis to Hiranyakashipu, in which 3 you can follow, and then rest of the 6 are the sectors of 3. Something which you can follow is only 3. Sravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Padase. Now, Padasevanam, Archanam, Bandhanam, Dasyam, Sakhya Bhavam, Atma Nivedanam, these all 6 sectors are the different parts of Sravanam, Kirtanam and Smaranam. You can only follow the 3 things, in which the first is Sravan. Keep listening. Sravan. Sravan has a beautiful meaning. It is not only just listening. I don't have any other word in English. I am so ignorant in that language. So I have to use it. But it has very deep meaning, much, much deeper than listening. Who can do Sravan? The one who is Srota. A Srota can do Sravan. There are 3 types of people. One is Srota, one is Sarota, and another is Sota. It's in Hindi. I'll explain it in English. First is Srota. Srota is who is so receptive. Then second category is Sarota. Sarota is who is listening and keep looking at the mistakes. Where I can catch him. Here he made a mistake. He didn't spoke there. This is that. This, oh. He would not get anything. That person is Sarota. Sarota. And the third thing is Sota. Sota means the person who enjoys sleeping in the katha. Sota. You can have the best sleep in the katha. Because katha is mother. And you get the best sleep on the lap of your mother. Katha is the mother. But this mother is not the mother which take you to bed, who let you sleep. This is the mother who wakes you up. Uttishtha jagrita, tyakto uttishtha parantapa. Parantapa, tyakto uttishtha, uttishtha, uttishtha. So, the best seva, the best procedure, the best whatever title you can put on it in this Kali Kala. Sankirtan, Kirtan with the association. Sankirtan, I was saying the other day, Kirtan was existing from last many years. Bhajan was existing many thousands of years. Jap was existing from thousands of years. Vrata was existing thousands of years. Yagna was existing from all the rituals, procedures ways were existing from thousands of years. Jap was used to happen 5,000 years ago also. But what Mahaprabhu have bring out Sang Kirtan. Surdas used to do Kirtan, Meera used to do Kirtan, but on their own, they are alone sitting with Lord. Mahaprabhu said, no, bring out everybody. When Yashoda Maiya wanted to tie Krishna and she was failed just to use by her own rope, then she called she went to all the other gopis to ask for rope, and she tied all the rope and tied Krishna. That's what you have to do in Sankirtan. If your alone rope wouldn't work, then take everybody's rope, and then only he will come under you.
But it was not enough.
What are you saying?
All the ropes were not enough.
The Vatsalya, then it's come over it. Then Bhav has to develop. Sankirtan without Bhav won't work. That's why first is Sravana. All the ropes came, but then when the Vatsalya Bhav came onto it, Yashoda Maiya, Gopya dade tvai kritaga siddham tabat yate dasastra kilalanchana sambhramaksham vaktram niniya bhaya bhavanaya sthitasya samam vimohayat bhirapi yad biveti. Oh, are you my son? Are you sure? Even if I am not able to tight you, then you just give me a temporary title to do your leela. I am not your mother. If I don't have right to get angry on you, then how am I your mother? If I am not have right to tight you or to give you punishment, then how am I your mother? Say, okay, you are not my son. You say, no, tight you. I am only your son. Not anybody else. Only yours. Before, he was not coming and reckoning. Now he surrendered. With the Sankirtan, when then Bhav appears. Bhav, that's why I even said first Sravan. For even most important is even listening. And with that listening, then Sankirtan comes. Then it would happen. Sravanam Kirtanam Vishnu, Smaranam Padaseva. That Sravan of the Hari Katha will give that taste, will give that mood to love, to be in the service. Radha Krishna Prana Mor Yugala Kishore. That mood to serve all of them. It can only happen. Tava Katha Mritam Tapta. Tava Katha Mritam. Your Katha can kill. Your Katha can kill you. Oh Krishna, your Katha is even more dangerous than you. Tava Dustyajas Tat Kathartha. Gopi saying to Uddhava, Uddhav, let me tell you one thing. It is easy for us to even leave Krishna. But Dustyajas Tat Kathartha. But the most hard thing for us is to leave his Katha. We can leave him also, but we can't leave his Katha. Dustyajas Tat Kathartha. Tab Kathamritam. Katha can kill. Such Anand Akhila Rasamrita Sindhu Sara Vigraha Ananda Vigraha Ishvaraha Parama Krishnaha Satchidananda Vigraha Anandamayo Abhyasat Raso Vaisaha Tad Anandamaya Vigraha, for which we all gathered to this Anandamaya place, which is full of Ananda. Krishna is even on the heights of Ananda. A Krishna who is residing in Dwarika, he is. But we have not so much to do with him. The one who is residing in Mathura, he is also good. But not so much to do with him. Krishna is on the heights of Ananda. A Paramatma who becomes your Priyatam. When you know he is Paramatma, it's Tattva. But when you declare him as your Priyatam, then it's Rasa, Madhurya. Gopis are the most special because they made Paramatma their Priyatam. Even if I say they made Paramatma their Priyatam, it is less. Even Paramatma become their Priyatam. Their state was so high that even Paramatma was fall in their love. The first verse of Ras Leela is declaring this. Manaschakra. Bhagavan Pita Ratrehi Sharadot Fulla Mallika Viksharantum Manaschakri Taviksha Kaviksha Keviksha Kimviksha. Thousands of questions. Kaviksha, Kimviksha, Keviksha, Kasmadviksha, Taviksha. Ta iti Vrindavane viksha. Vrindavane kismad asti. Tam Radhika hridaye asti. Te hridaye viksha. Krishna has seen that Taviksha. Then people ask, the devotees ask, what is that? Who is that? Where is that? Who is that Taviksha? Who is that? That is Vrindavan. How it is Vrindavan? It is Vrindavan. What is Vrindavan? Because Vrindavan is the heart of Sri Priyaji. Sri Radhe Hridite Rase Radha Karavachit. To see the heart of Sri Priyaji, Taviksha, Manaschakri. Krishna also fall in love. And then Nishamya Geetam Tadananga Vardhanam Vrajastriya Krishna Grahita Manasa Ajag Muranyanya Malakshitodyama Sayatra Kanto Jagato. This beautiful Krishna of Sri Vrajamandala. He is of Mathura, he is of Dwarika, he is doing many other different leelas. When I do Bhagavad Saptas in India at several places, now most of the time I skip the stories when Krishna is killing all the demons. I skip all that story generally now, many places. But when it is wherever it is needed, then you have to say for those people. Because few got inspired, oh, he's so powerful. Better, anyhow, it should start. When they make cartoons on Krishna, they have to show demons. If they show other beautiful leelas, even kids won't have that interest because they are looking for some Superman and He-Man in that Krishna. But that Aishwaryavan Krishna is okay. But the different modes, the different bhavs, which Rai Ramananda and Srimad Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is discussing on the bank of Godavari. A beautiful opportunity in the June end, I'm going there, Rajmundry. And on the bank of Godavari river on the same topic with a group of devotees, the Katha is going to happen. Very much looking forward every day for that. And I also remember this from last 4 or 5 days. Mahaprabhus keep asking, Aage kaha aur, ehu haye aage kaha aur, ehu uttama aage kaha aur. When he said about karma, he said, oh, aage kaha aur. Said about jnana, oh, aage kaha. Bhakti, aage kaha aur. Dasya bhava. Oh, yeah, it's aage kaha aur. Being a das, then aage kaha aur. being a sakha, sakhya bhav. आगे कहो, same or same. There's some more is left. आगे कहो. वात्सल्य, ये उत्तम. आगे कहो. Because in the friendship, you only ask for his care. But when there is a relationship of vatsalya, mother and son, or parent and son, then you do ask for care, but you also give the care. In the Aghasura Leela, all the sakhas are in ecstasy. Krishna is walking behind. Ultimate Sakhya Ras is there. In Vanabhoj Leela, full Sakhya Ras is there. In Aghasura Bada Leela, full Sakhya Ras is there. Subodhini Kar Vallabhachari says, Aghasura is the form of Papa. Agha means Papa. Full Sakhya Ras. Oh, they are dancing. What to do? Krishna is behind us. He will take care. Even cows are in ecstasy. All the cowhead boys are dancing. Oh, this is a very beautiful tunnel. Even better than what we have crossed in the morning today. What was that? Gothard. Yeah. Beautiful tunnel. Such a soft entry, red carpet. His tongue was out. Oh, it's a red carpet welcome for us. But such a bad smell coming from its side. What is this? Let's see, even it's create them more interest. What is this? They all went inside his mouth. All his big teeth. They all thought it's a night hook to hang our kurtas and mridangas. On his teeth they tied his, took off kurtas and nice. He said, oh, it's a nice Baitak place. In the middle of his mouth, he was looking for Krishna. And Krishna entered. And he closed. Krishna did his leela. There was Sakha walking ahead. So when they see something suspicious, oh, no problem. Krishna is behind us. But if there was Rashoda Maiya also walking, she would not let enter Krishna in there. She would not let cowhead boys enter into that suspicious tunnel. She might go first. Let me see, what is this? No, you all stay out. Let me see. Then I will let you enter. So Vatsalya is come, even become better than Sakya. In this Leela. Then even more come. Ehu Uttama Age Kaha. You want to go. Another level. Kanta Bhav. Oh, Ehu Uttama Uttama. Ehu Uttama Uttama. When you declare him your beloved, Priyatama, then it's just going on. Unlimitedly going on. Mahaprabhu's receptivity, he is the best Srota. Best Srota. One have to be receptive after explaining about Srota. Srota is a beautiful word of Sanskrit. It comes from a srot. Srot is canal. Source. The dhatu of srot, the word srota comes from srot. Srot means a source. Once, a farmer had land. And all his land became so dry. He couldn't grow anything there because there was no water. Bit far away there was a river. He made a source, a link to his farm with that river. The water then started coming to his farm. And now it's become so easy for him to grow the vegetables, to grow everything. Someone who is that quality, that the one who can create that source, Scriptures are like those rivers flowing in front of you. Sadhus are like those rivers flowing in front of you. But Srotas are those ones who create that source, so that the prem which is flowing in that heart can also come through their ears. And when that source, that beautiful water of love comes through their ear and go to their heart, that is known as Sravana. A Srota does Sravana. It is not just listening. There are three ways goes from your ears. There are few people who listen from this ear and then it will go straight out from this ear. Then there are one people who listen from ear, it goes to their head. Oh, how you can say that? Where you can say how many things. Then there are third category. When they hear it goes to their heart. They absorb it. That state is Srota, is Sravana. These beautiful, the Sravan of these beautiful Kant Pakshena Bhakti. Tad Manjari Bhava, Tad Kinkari Bhava, Tad Sakhivranda Bhava, Tad Ashrite. Under the shelter of those beloved Sakhis, Manjaris, Priyas, that mood of Vraja, when you keep listening, doing Sravan of that river and create a source to your heart, then you are now sitting a beautiful Anand at the beautiful Anand Dham. But the day when you are able to search and create that source of Krishna Leela to your heart, then you will find a beautiful Anand Dham in your heart also. That would be your heart. You will find a beautiful Dham, residence of bliss. Krishna is a form of bliss. Satchidananda Rupa, his Swarupa. Two Sad and Chidar Tattvas, Ananda is Madhurya. One you should know, but you shouldn't be attracted to it. Attraction should be with the third aspect. But as I said, if you just hear there was someone who is Krishna, he used to steal butter, oh, okay, we can steal better things than him. If you just hear, oh, Krishna, he used to go with cows, he's a good cowhead boy, oh, we can even go, we are also very cowhead, good cowhead, all the Vrajvasis are Gwanas, oh, they can do better. But when you know, oh, Asad Achid, the Supreme Personality of Godhead who is Paratpar, Parabrahma, Paramatma, Purnamadah, Purnamidam, Purnat, Purnamudachyate, Purnasya, Purnamadaya, Purnamevavashishyate, the one who appeared with the four arms, with Chaturbhujam Shanka Gada Yudar Yudam Srivatsa Lakshmam Galashobi Kaustavam Pitambaram Sandra Payoga Saubhagam. All the demigods are praying, worshipping him. And now what he is doing? From head to toe, full of the dust of Vrinda. Srunu Sakhi Kautukamekam Nand Niketangane Maya Drishtam Go Dhuli Dhu Saritangam Nrityati Vedanta Siddhanta. A Vedanti, a scholar of Vedanta, Aham Brahmasmi Tattvamasi, came to Vrindavan and he was so shocked and walking like a crazy. A gopi said, hey, what happened to you? He said, no, tell me. Sunu Sakhi Kautukamekam. Oh, listen to me, Sakhi. Today I have seen a big cow, something very surprising. Never seen in my life. Kautuk. Something big, a huge surprise. Mega surprise. Kautukam ekam. Make ekam one. There's someone like a mega surprise. Srunu Sakhi Kautukam ek. Where you have seen? He said, Nand Niketangane Maya Drishta. I have seen the courtyard of the residence of Nanda. Nand Niketan means house. Nand Niketangane Maya Drishta. I have seen. What you have seen at Nanda Niketang, there are so many things to see. He's a king of Braja. There are so many things to see. Even before Krishna appeared, we used to see many things. He have 900,000 cows. So many things to see. A river of buttermilk, a river of butter, a river of milk. So many things. What you have seen. How you have seen. You go dhuli dhu sarita. The one who is filled, his every body part is filled, having the dhuli, the dust, which flew by the feet of Gaumata, of Vrajamandal. The dust of Vraj is full on of him. So what? Everything in Vraj has that Braj dust. Even Gaumata is full of that Braj dust. What you have seen. Srunu Sakhi Kautukam ekam Nand Niketangane Maya Drishtam Go Dhuli Dhu Saritangam Nrityati Vedanta Siddhanta. That Siddhanta of Vedanta, that Siddhanta, that principles, that objective of Vedanta, that Hari for which I am looking for from last many years, he is dancing in the courtyard of Nanda. Nrityati means dancing. Nrityati Vedanta Siddhanta. That Vedanta Siddhanta is dancing there. Sad Chid Atma. When you will know, oh, that Purnamada, that Vedanta Siddhanta, Arha Nityat Jaina Shashanarata Karmeti Mi Mansak Soyam No Vedadhat Vanchit Palam Trailokyanato Hari Tamadbhutam Balaka. Here Shukadeva Goswami saying Tam Adbhutam Balaka. Balak is already Adbhuta. He is already auspicious. If you see a small child, you feel pride. You say, oh, yeah. You never feel like, if you feel like this, then you are an incarnation of Putana. If you see a small, because she is popular as Balaghatini. He is very nice and expert to kill the babies. Balaghatini. Putana Balaghatini. In Srimad Bhagavatam. Balak is already Adbhuta. But Tam, who is that Tam? Yam Brahma samupasate Shiva iti Brahmeti Vedantino Bauddha iti Pramana Patava Karteti Nayayaka Arha Nityat Jaina Shashanarata Karameti Mi Mansakah Soyam No Vidadhat Vanchit Palam Trailokyanato Hari. Yam Brahma samupasate Shiva iti. The one who is being worshipped by Brahma, Saraswati, Shiva iti, Brahmeti Vedantino, whom Vedanti, the people who follow Vedanta declares as Brahma. Bauddha Buddha iti, those who are Buddhist, they call him Buddha. Bauddha Buddha iti Pramana Patava. Those who are good at studying Patava, those who good in reading, they call him the best proof of everything. He is the Praman of everything. Pramana Patava. Karteti Nayayaka. According to Nayayaks, he is the Karta. He is the main, how we could say Karta?
Actor.
He is the actor. He is the real actor of everything, whatever is happening. Arhanityat Jaina. He is Arhanityat for Jain. Arhanityat Jaina Shashanarata Karmeti Mimansaka. According to Mimansak, he is karma. Soyam no vidadhat vanchit phalam. That Lord fulfill all your desires, who is Trailokyanath. The Nath, the Lord of the whole universe, that Hari, Tam Adbhutam Balak. That become Adbhut Balak in Brajmandal. And on the lap of Sri Devaki in Garga Sanghita, Devaki and Vasudev is also the name of Yashoda and Nanda in Garga Sanghita. It is happening. Together it is happening. Nanda and Yashoda become Devaki, Vasudev. It's also the name of their same name of two personality. So, Tamadbhutam Balakam Bhujekshana. That Anandamaya Krishna. Satyamaya Krishna is very dry. He is Satya, okay, he is truth, then what to do? Then what else to do? Okay, he would be truth. What I can do then? If he is Chaitanya, then that's his Tattva. If he is Chidatma, Chaitanya means Chidatma. This another Chaitanya which we have, he is a mixture of Ananda and Bhav. Mahabhavir Swarupa Hon, Radha Thakurani, and Akhila Rasamrita Sindhu Sarvikra. The both of them. But here Chidatmak Tattva, Chaitanyatmak Tattva of the Lord is also a Tattva. But something which can be astonishing, something which can be attracting to your heart. That Anandamaya Vigraha. Anandamaya Vigraha. That Krishna who is running behind the cows. Gopis are saying, Akshanavatam phalamidam naparam. Those, they waste their eyes. Even Lord gave them such beautiful eyes. They waste it if they haven't seen that beauty of Krishna who is coming back from the jungles in the evening at Godhuli Bela. Their eyes are like those fake eyes which are on peacock feather. Akshanavatam phalamidam naparam. Those having Vatsalya Bhav Shri of Yashoda Maiya, having Sakhya Bhav with all the Gopas. Ananta Koti Rasa Samuha, Koti Rasa in Rasa. Rasa Samuha Rasa. Samuhanam Rasa, where all the rasa gathered together. That rasa, when he becomes, which proves that he is Bhagavan. The first verse, Bhagavan Pita Ratri Sharadot Phulla Mallika, Ballavacharya on this verse saying that why Shukdev Goswami is using Bhagavan here, because all the other leelas, other demigods can do. A Shiva having a snake in his neck, then what is he can dance easily on Kali also. Anybody can lift. Hanuman, there is one story of another Puran that Hanumanji lift Govardhan. Hanuman bring Govardhan to Vraj. He lifted Govardhan and even he walked and flew. Then what is big if Krishna lifted like that? Other also have done all these things before. What's the big thing? Ballavacharya is saying, this Leela is proving that he is Supreme Personality. He is Bhagavan. That's why Bhagavan. That Anandamaya Leelas, when you keep listening to them, absorbing them to the heart, then only this love, this bhav of seva, which there's unlimited desire, laulya matramapi mulya keval, that you have to pay. Bhakti is not free cost, it's not charity, it's not donation. Bhakti is not free of cost. You have to buy it. Rupa Goswami is saying you have to buy it. Krishna rasa bhavita mati kriyatam yadi kutopi labhyate laulya matram api mulya me kalam koti janma sukritai na labhyate. This Krishna rasa bhavita mati, the mati which is fully dipped into the love of, into the rasa of Sri Krishna. Buy it, get it, from where? Kutopi labhyate. Kutopi. Kimba nyasi, kimba vipra, kimba sudra hoy. Even from a sannyasi, even from a brahman, even from a shudra. Doesn't matter. Krishna tattva vetta jini tini guru hai. Kutopi labhyate. But you have to pay, it's not free. Laulya matramapi make. That laulyata which you will have in the house. When can I have that opportunity? In the meeting, there's deep separation. I was explaining this the other day in the yoga studio. When you feel separation in meeting, when you feel meeting in separation. But it is, this love is zigzag like Krishna. It walks like Krishna. It's the sukrit, the good deeds, your good karma of koti, millions and billions of birth can't give you that Krishna rasa bhavita. When a sadhu becomes happy, satisfied from you, bhakti, I always say is one statement. Bhakti is not achievable. Bhakti is receivable. You cannot achieve it, but under the shelter you can receive it. We will be achieving, we will be receiving many things slowly. It is happening. Every day you are receiving, every day you are achieving. Such a nice mood Krishna Chandra Prabhu have bringing up here. Who would be so fortunate like us, sitting at such heights and talking about Madhurya Leela of Krishna? On the heights of Himalayas, even it is dry. Yogis are doing their meditation. I don't know on which they are concentrating. But something which is flowing on the bank of Yamuna ji in Vraj, he bring that stream. Already bring that stream to this beautiful Ananda Dham. We all just come here for nothing else, just to take a dip into it. That's it. Hope the dip of this weekend becomes successful for us and gives us so many unlimited fruits. This is just a welcoming session for all of you. That's what I thought. Because the morning one was a bit late because of many circumstances. So we have, because here times which we follow is more likely India. Downstairs there it's like Switzerland time. Even if I cross one more minute ahead, I get 100 knocks and 50 calls. Here no problem. Whenever, okay, where you want to go, you have to. Just only Hari Katha, so no problem. It would be happening, it is happening, and it will continue to happen. I'm waiting for the day when this becomes the Bhakti center for this country and exploding and distributing Bhakti to everybody. That pure Madhurya Rasa. And all you all come as a bumblebee to drink the nectar of that Bhakti, nectar of that lotus which is Bhakti. Hope this yatra becomes successful. We will keep discussing Vraj Leela as ever Radharani will inspire. It is not in my control. I even don't know ever what I'm going to speak. Whatever happens. Sometimes it even doesn't make any sense also. I said no problem, Katha is for nonsense only. It is for them, not for them who are having big heads. It is for them who are having huge heart. It goes from heart to heart. So let it happen, whatever happens. Just the two friends are sitting and talking about their beloved who is sitting under a kadamba tree. Radharani is looking at him and he's playing a beautiful flute. All the ladies, all the gopis, what it asti sastaruni karagra vigalat kalpa prasona plutam vastu prastuta venu nadal hari nirbana nirbyakulam srasta srasta nibadhini bibilashad gopi sahasrabratam hastanyastanata pavargamakhilo daram kishurakriti. That vastu which is all around gopis are standing, the ladies from heaven who pluck the flowers and going to offer to their husband, stuck in the middle, and flower asti sas taruni kar agrabigalat falling from their hands over Krishna and making it even more beautiful. May he comes and appeared in your heart and give you more and more bhakti and that desire of seva, that when you will easily and openly declare Radha Krishna Prana Yugal Kishore Jivane Marane Gati Ar Nahi More, and you will easily able to declare it. Pray to Radha to give more and more opportunity to take these beautiful dips. We will be having at least till tomorrow night. We will be having so many of this. Thank you for this. Jai Sri Radha.
Marathi, can I just ask one quick question based on what you actually said? So you said that Sukadev's Goswami mentioned the first time in the Bhagavatam that you were Bhagwan, okay? And I didn't catch where he actually said that. And you were describing Hanuman lifting and all of the demigods doing various...
It's the first verse of Ras Leela.
That's what I was going to actually say. It's so thinking about it, I could only imagine it would be the Ras Leela.
No, he mentioned before also about Bhagavan in Chirharan Leela, when he steal the in the starting of Chirharan Leela, he did mention Bhagavan, and then in the first verse of Govardhan Leela also, he mentioned Bhagavan, Parjanyu Bhagavan Indro. That's the starting of Govardhan Leela. But specifically, he used special word that the starting of Ras Leela, Bhagavan Apitara. He specifically there mentioning. So he did mention the word Bhagavan, and he is declaring himself in 9th canto, 8th canto, 3rd canto, and all the other cantos he is mentioning. But in this Leela, he is specifically mentioning, and Subodhini Vallabhacharya is saying that why he used Bhagavan, because he is explaining that this Leela is proving himself. Why other two Leelas also having this word Bhagavan? To make the connection. Because Chirharan Leela and Govardhan Leela have the connection with Rasa Leela.
Was Chirharan Leela?
Where he stole the clothes of the gopis.
Okay.
In Chirharan Leela, he gave uniform to all of them to have Rasa. This is the uniform of Rasa. That Patrata. That's the Patrata Leela. Qualification. The Patrata. So this is the development, Govardhan Leela and then Rasa. This is the development process of Rasa. That's why he used Bhagavan in the other Leela, but here he is finishing.
Okay.
Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Nitai Gaur Hari Shri Radha Ramana Lal ki Jai. Hari Katha Hari Naam ki Jai.